Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users want to see old satellite images of places on Google Maps. But Google Maps itself does not clearly show historical images on phone. Because of this, people think the feature is missing. If you want to view old satellite images easily, there is a simple way to do it. I will show you the correct method step by step. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Search for Google Earth and download the app. After installation, open the Google Earth app. Now tap on the search icon. Type the location you want to see. Select the correct place from the results. Once the location loads, look at the top right corner. Tap on the map icon or the 3 lines menu depending on your app version. Now scroll down in the menu. Find the option that says Historical Imagery or Time-Lapse. Enable this option. After enabling it, a slider will appear on the screen. Move the slider left or right. You will now see old satellite images of that location from different years. This allows you to compare how the place looked in the past. That is how you can see old Google Maps satellite images using Google Earth. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more helpful app tutorials and fixes.